Hello from SEBO. Let's see how to clean and maintain the floor turbo brush for your SEBO cylinder vacuum. This video is for the 2020 version of our floor turbo brush. All we need to do is to check the underside trapdoor and the brush roller. Turn the turbo brush to expose the brush roller and the trapdoor. Firstly, check the trapdoor by releasing the clips. Make sure the turbine is clear of any debris and it rotates without any hindrance. Place the trapdoor back and click to lock. Next, remove any string or hair from the brush roller by gently cutting across the scissor line as seen on the indent here. Snip away any debris and clean the brush roller thoroughly. Check to see if the brush roller rotates easily. Your turbo brush is now clean and ready to use. Please contact our customer service for any further help or support.